Welcome back to Miss Doyle's Remote Learning. So today our focus is Chapter 6, Lesson 4, and it's page 141 and 142 in your homework/remembering packet. And this is also a lesson that we have already taught, which is totally fine. We're just doing a little reteaching, relearning, refreshing our memories. So today I'm only going to do one example because it mostly, I know that you guys can do it, and this is something that I feel like this one problem kind of solves everything that we're going to be working on. So at the top up here, it's a label. So I titled our learning that we're going to do, and it says colors in bag. So I'm pretending that I have a big bag full of marbles, and there's blue, orange, and brown marbles. So it says the blue marbles, let's count how many they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Miss Doyle is going to put, oh, that marker doesn't work. Let's try this again. Let's put a 5 right there. Okay, the orange is 1, 2, 3. And the brown is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And something we can do is we can totally link them up if you want to. You by no means have to, but I find that it gets kind of tricky after about that part, so we're just gonna kind of stop from right there. But let's see if we can start by answering these problems. Which color has the most? Now most means big, so let's look and see which one has the most. Well, I'm gonna look at these three numbers, and being the smart first grader that I am, I know that brown has the most. So I'm gonna write brown, B-R-O-W-N. Which color has the least, the smallest? So least means small, so let's look, 5, 3, or 7. Oh, definitely, being the smart first grader that I am, I know that orange, because 3, so I'm gonna write orange. Please excuse Miss Doyle's handwriting, she has a hard time writing sideways, as we all remember. How many more blue than orange? Okay, so let's look at this. Blue and orange. How many more blue than orange? How many more bigger? More bigger, okay. Let's see, blue has 5, orange has 3. Well, let's see, how many extra spots are there? There would be 1 spot, 2 spots. Oh, blue has 2 more. So I'm gonna write 2, okay? And if you want, you can write 2 blues if you would like. You don't have to though. And how many in all? Oh man, this is where it gets kind of tricky because Miss Doyle thinks it's really hard to add 3 numbers at a time. Oh my goodness, this is way too hard for Miss Doyle. I can't do it. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Oh, okay, fine guys, I'll do it. So let's look at these numbers. So we've got, I'm gonna write sorry, I'm gonna move a little bit. And I'm sorry about the glare. I'm hoping that for next week I'll be able to figure out my glare or I can move someplace else. So I have the numbers 5, 3, and 7. Oh, being the smart first grader that I am, I remember that 3 and 7 are partners of 10. Oh my goodness, so this is a 10. And 10 and 5 makes 15. So I'm gonna write 15 colors, or let's do marbles. Let's write marbles. Okay, and that today is our lesson. That should conclude everything that we have for this week. If you have any problems or a hard time watching the videos, kind of confused on one of the lessons, please let me know, and I would be more than happy to help you guys work through it. Next week, we're gonna be starting some new materials, so get ready and be patient, focus, and give your moms and dads big hugs because they are working so hard to help Miss Doyle help you become the smartest first graders ever.